Hi friends, today is going to be a little different. I'm coming to you right now from my garage. I'm going to, so basically let me just go ahead and tell you, I am in Louisiana in the Baton Rouge area, and we have a Category 4 hurricane making landfall right now, Hurricane Ida. So yeah, we have been preparing for that, which is why I look like I do. My hair's kind of funky. I don't have much makeup on, but you know what? A hurricane's coming. I don't think Ida's going to be too concerned about my makeup. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some of what we are doing, some of the stuff we've done to prepare. We're as prepared as we can get. The one thing I will say that I wish we would have is a generator. But we don't. A lot of people in my neighborhood have the whole house generators, which I'm thinking we might be getting after this. But anyway, I'm going to show you some of what we've done, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to stay right here in my garage and show you the rocking chairs, and over there you probably can't see it, but there's one of our plants, actually two of our plants from our front porch, so we have our rocking chairs there. In the freezer, let's see if I can, so in the freezer we are actually going to take the stuff that's in this freezer. This is just an extra refrigerator we have in our garage. We're going to take the stuff in the freezer because there's not that much stuff, and it stays cold better if it's full. So we're going to take this and put it in the indoor freezer. But down here we have some gallons of water that we have frozen, so that once things get really bad, hopefully if we kind of see the lights start flickering, we can go put these in the refrigerator inside the house, and that way it'll keep it cool, keep the refrigerator cold longer. And then here we have a bunch of water. Got some more water down there. So I think we're pretty good on water. But yeah, and then right down here are more plants and things from our front porch that we do not want to get blown away. I also forgot to show you in the garage, I have this little container here, and that is full of candles. And these are old candles that I had used as part of decorations before, but instead of throwing them away, this is Louisiana. We do have hurricanes, and so I saved them for instances such as that. Okay, so in here, this is our pantry clearly, and if you've watched any of my videos before, you know I'm typically organized, but we have a lot of things that we have bought. So we have a gas stove, so we will be able to cook. So I have some boxed jambalaya. We have Pop-Tarts, snack bars, breakfast bars, mac and cheese. We have 2 loaves of bread, snacks, cookies, and then down here we have some chips. And then of course over here we have a lot of canned food. So, and then peanut butter. So if we, which goodness, we're not going to run out of food. I can't imagine us running out of food. But yeah, so because we have a gas stove, it's going to help. We'll be able to still cook some things. So that's good. Okay, we are now in my laundry room because I want to show you some of the things in here that we are prepared with. The first thing is I've taken all of our little phone charger, like battery pack, backup, whatever they're called. I have charged all of those. I actually have 2 more that are charging. And then here I have an emergency radio, and it is, of course, this part isn't going to help us right now, but it's solar operated, plus it is crank operated. But you can use the battery. It has the flashlight on it. And then somewhere on here is a place where you can charge your phone if you need to. So we have this as well. And I like it because it is not battery operated. It's crank and solar operated. Plus we have all these flashlights that we are prepared with. And this one is actually a crank flashlight. So we got those going for us. And then we also have this battery pack, which also has batteries down here as well. So we have plenty of batteries. Another thing I'm doing is I'm getting laundry done. Hopefully the power won't go out. Kind of thinking it probably will, but I'm trying to get all the laundry done before any of that possibly happens. So that will be one less thing to have to worry about. This is our back porch, or actually our side porch. And we usually have chairs in a circle here with a table. We have scooted them all over into a clump. We have two little tables turned over on top of the cushions there. I don't know if you can see in there, we actually brought the other cushions in along with, let me see if I can get a better view of it. We have a fan out here, and let's see. Yeah, so that's all from out here. And then these two plants are usually out here in front of the fireplace. So we brought those in. We covered the TV and scooted it as far back to the wall as possible. And then once it gets a little worse, we will raise these screens because they do not withstand hurricane force winds. So we will raise those up. All right, here we are on our front porch. And as you can see, we have nothing on our front porch except that and that, but it's full of rocks, so that's not going anywhere. Took up the mat, no rocking chairs. Made sure our shutters actually don't close to protect the windows, so I'm kind of aggravated about that. I don't think they do. Looks like they should, but anyway, I don't guess they do. But we do have plantation shutters on the inside, so we have those shut. Won't protect the glass from being broken, but at least it will contain it if it does happen. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear the rain. Hear the wind, but it's not blowing too bad. It's just kind of super breezy. But later on, it's going to get pretty bad. So yeah, but everything's off our front porch. And moves out of here very quickly. Anyway, thanks so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.